Hello, my name is Kolar Matis Tumarang. I want to explain the material about industrial and organizational psychology and essential. Introduction to industrial and organizational psychology. Industrial and organizational psychology in the scientific study of human behavior in the workplace. It applies psychological theories and research methods to understand, predict, and improve employee performance, motivation, satisfaction, and overall organizational effectiveness. Industrial and psychology acts a bridge between human behavior and business outcomes. The two major branches of psychology. A. Industrial psychology or personal psychology. Industrial psychology focuses on managing people as organizational resource. Key areas include 1. Job analysis, identifying the task, responsibility, and competitiveness required for a job. Job analysis support recruitment, training, compensation, and performance appraisal. 2. Recruitment and selection, developing fair and valid products to choose the best candidates. Methods include structured interview, psychological testing, work samples, and assessment centers. 3. Training and development, ensuring employees have the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their job. ERIO psychologists design training programs, evaluate training effectiveness, and support career development. 4. Performance appraisal, evaluating employee performance using objective and reliable methods. Tools include learning skills, feedback, and behavior-based assessment. B. Organizational psychology. Organizational psychology focuses on understanding employee experience and organizational culture and group dynamic. Key areas include 1. Employee motivation, understanding what drives people to perform. Theories include Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Herbert's motivation, hygiene theory, and expectancy theory. 2. Job satisfaction and well-being examines how work conditions, leadership, and job design affect employee emotional and psychological states. 3. Organizational culture and climate. Culture refers to shared value and norms, while climate describes employee perception of the work environment. Both influence behavior, performance, and retention. 4. Leadership power, evaluating leadership styles or transformational, transactional, and servant leadership, and how leaders influence employees. 5. Group dynamic and teamwork, studying communication, conflict cooperation, and decision making within teams. 3. Core concept and theory in psychology. Motivation theory. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Employees seek to fulfill basic needs before higher level needs. Herbert's two-factor theory. Hygiene factor prevent dissatisfaction, while motivator creates satisfaction. Expectancy theory. Effort leads to performance leads to reward, and reward must be value. B. Job design. How job factors influence motivation and performance. Motivation and performance. The job characteristic model highlights 5 critical elements. 1. Skill variety. 2. Task identify. 3. Task significance. 4. Autonomy. 5. Feedback. Thus increase interest, motivation, and satisfaction. C. Work stress and burnout. Stress results from excessive demands, role conflict, or lack of support. Burnout involves emotional exhaustion, cynicism, and reduced accomplishment. Psychology focuses on prevention, work-life balance, and supportive environments. 4. Application of psychology in the workplace. 1. Improving higher discussions using structured assessment, psychometric tests, and predictive analysis to enhance employee job fit. 2. Enhance employee engagement. Building trusting relationship, recognizing achievement, and providing meaningful work. 3. Designing training programs. Ensuring programs align with organizational goals and adult learning principles. 4. Developing effective leadership coaching, mentoring, and competency-based development plans. 5. Building healthy work environment. Policies for fairness, safety, diversity, and equality, inclusion, and employee well-being. 6. Organizational change management. Supporting employee through mergers, restructuring, technological change, and new strategy. 5. Current trends in psychology. 1. Remote and hybrid work impact on communication, performance measurement, and employee well-being. 2. Data analytics in human research or people analytics, using data to predict turnover, improve hiring, and develop better work policies. 3. Diversity, equity, and inclusion or DAE, creating inclusive environment that improve creativity and organizational performance. 4. AI and automation in human research process. Automate recruiting tools, digital assessment, and virtual training platforms. 5. Well-being and mental health at work. Well-being and mental health at work. Organizations increasingly focus on mental health programs, stress prevention, and supportive culture. Industrial and organizational psychology plays a crucial role in helping organizations become more productive while ensuring employees remain motivated, satisfied, and psychologically healthy by applying scientific methods to real workplace challenges. Industrial organizational psychology enhances decision-making, improves leadership, and creates positive work improvement that support long-term success. Okay, next, leading and changing global environment requires far more than traditional managerial skills. The world has become increasingly interconnected, unpredictable, and driven by fast-paced technological innovation. Because of this, leadership is no longer about maintaining stability. It is about navigating constant transformation. A changing global environment challenges leaders to rethink how they guide people, how they design strategies, and how they build organizations that can survive and grow amid continuous uncertainty. This means leaders must be develop flexibility, resilience, culture intelligence, and their ability to respond to the global trends with clarity and confidence. One of the most crucial capability for leading in a dynamic global setting and ability to adopt a global mindset. A global mindset allows leaders to see beyond local perspective and understand the interdependence between different country, market, culture, and political system. In a world where a supply chain disruption in one region can impact production in another, leaders must think systemically. They need to understand how global economy shifts, technological advancement, geopolitical tensions, and culture difference shape organizational opportunity and risks. Effective leaders recognize that decisions made today can have long-term consequences on international operations and global competitiveness. Furthermore, leading and changing global environment requires strong adaptability. Change can come from anywhere: emerging technology, global crisis, new government regulation, or shift in consumer behavior. Leaders who resist change will fall behind, while those who embrace innovation can transform challenge into strategic advantage. Adaptable leaders promote agility within their organization by encouraging experimentation and learning from failures and empowering employees. Resilience, remaining calm and focused even when facing unfamiliar and volatile circumstances. In a global context, resilience is not just internal but also strategic, ensuring that organizations can recover quickly from disruption and stay aligned with global trends. Culture intelligence is another essential element of global leadership. As an organization expand internationally or collaborate with diverse stakeholders, leaders must be able to communicate effectively across culture. This means organization understanding different value, communication style, and approach to problem solving. Leaders with culture intelligence build stronger relationships, reduce misunderstandings, and create more inclusive environment where people from different backgrounds feel respect and value. In a global environment, culture competence is not optional. It's a strategic recruitment for collaboration, negotiation, and long-term success. In addition, technological awareness is becoming increasingly important for leaders operating globally. The digital revolution has reshaped industries, operations, and business models. Leaders must understand how technologies such as artificial intelligence, automation, and data analytics and digital platform influence competition and customer expectation. Effective leaders leverage technology to enhance productivity, improve decision making, and develop innovative solutions. They also recognize the ethical and social implication implications of the digital transformation, ensuring that technology serves both organizational goals and social well-being. Finally, leading in a changing global environment requires strategic vision. Leaders must be anticipate future trends, analyze global patterns, and craft strategy that prepare the organization for what lies ahead. A clear vision helps organizations stay focused, aligned, and motivated even during turbulent times. Strategic leaders do not merely react to global change, and they prepare for shape it, and sometimes even lead it. In conclusion, effective leadership in a changing global environment demands a combination of global awareness, adaptability, cultural intelligence, technological insight, and ethical judgment, strategic thinking. Thank you